homie out here on this 23 road glide. Yeah, see my boy. We're about to slide out the Waco. Go for a good ride tonight. We got Tiny over there. She got her helmet on today, y'all. Y'all come with us. I'm gonna put us on a little time lapse. I'm gonna take a couple shots, and we gonna cook. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's cook. nation. Y'all see the vibes. Y'all see them Harley views. We just been riding. Ain't that much talking on this video. Just riding and sliding. This is a 23 Road Glide. It's the homie bike. This tiny bike, 24 RG3. You see. And you know, that's my old daddy back here. 2007 ultraclassic. With all that chrome busting. But anyway, y'all, we just we ain't do no talking on this video. Just straight about some couple views. That's it, really. I mean, we went through a rainstorm, a little quick little rainstorm, which was crazy because shit that online said it wasn't no weather supposed to come, but it came. So we got soaking wet, but literally we're dry within 20 minutes because the sun came out beaming. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we about to slide back to Dallas. We out here in Waco, Texas, so we're gonna slide back to Dallas, Texas. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all catch us on the next one. Let's cook.
Yeah, boy.